I think the biggest thing about Ames is that we always try to keep everything as state-of-the-art and up-to-date as we can for students. My name is Andrew Moline, and I am faculty in the Department of Art and Design here at Ames Community College in Greeley, Colorado. I myself was an Ames student and have been able to kind of come full circle for the college, student to faculty, and now being here as an employee and an instructor. The goal of Ames is really to get students out in the workforce with the skills and knowledge that they need to really make a difference in the community, both local and elsewhere outside of Greeley that they may go. I've been using Broncolor since I started in photography. When I was about 16 years old, I had the privilege of being able to use Broncolor, and I think that it's really just been the clearest choice for me to continue using it with the variety of modifiers and the robustness of the gear in general. When I was about 16, my grandmother gave a very generous contribution to all four of her grandkids, and the intent was to go buy a vehicle for us to use after we had gotten our driver's licenses. One of us didn't listen, and that's what I bought Broncolor with. Funny enough, the other cars that the other kids bought are no longer in service, but the Broncolor still is, so I think I made the right choice there. It really boils down to two things for us here at Ames. Number one is safety of the equipment. So much of the older photography lighting equipment that's still in service at a lot of schools and institutions is dangerous potentially, and Broncolor allows us to make sure that we're keeping our students safe and any other instructors that may need to use the equipment safe as well. And then the second point would be the quality of the light, of the lighting modifiers, and the long life of service that we know that we're going to get out of the equipment here at Ames. I think if another institution or photography instructor had asked me what I would recommend for lighting equipment, the clear answer is Broncolor, just because of the quality and the variety of their system that they make available to everybody. I think one of the great benefits of Photo Video EDU for educators and colleges and universities across the country is how personable and willing to work with us that they have been. Broncolor was willing to send their own people out to our campus in Colorado and give us some training and education themselves on how to use the equipment and doing creative things. They truly are the only company that would be willing to do something like that, and that is something that we are very grateful for. It's really exciting to be able to have this kind of equipment with our program, but also to know that when students are leaving our program, they've really, achieved a high level of education and knowledge that they can bring out to studios or their own work or wherever they happen to be going. And that is something I think that makes our program really unique.
We feel very fortunate to have Broncolor here today to show us all these new lighting techniques.
This class has been amazing. Broncolor has been amazing.
It's really been educational. It's been a lot of fun too.
Really nice to learn more things about the power box and how to use it.
Split lighting was something that I didn't understand before and clearly understand now.
It's limitless on what you can do with Broncolor. I think I'm going to be taking some of these ideas home with me and trying them out, and hopefully one day I have a lot of cash to buy a whole studio full of Broncolor, because that's the dream right there.